The 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross is doing what most automakers in this class refuse to do, delivering standard safety technology, a capable hybrid option, and real cargo practicality, all while keeping the price genuinely competitive. If you've been crossover shopping but keep getting pushed toward expensive trim levels just to unlock the features you actually need, the Corolla Cross is arriving with all of that built in from the base model up. Most buyers assume an affordable Toyota crossover means settling for bare minimum specs, but the 2027 model is coming standard with adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, and lane departure prevention on every single trim, and we have found 7 incredible reasons to wait for it. Number 7. Super efficient hybrid powertrain. Leading this countdown is what's going on under the hood of the hybrid version. The Corolla Cross Hybrid is pairing a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder with 3 electric motors, delivering 196 horsepower combined, nearly 30 more than the gas model. And the difference is noticeable from the first merge onto a highway. Every owner of a fuel-heavy vehicle knows the feeling. You glance at the gauge, it's already dropping, and you're calculating whether you can squeeze in one more errand before stopping. That stops being a problem with this powertrain. The EPA is rating the hybrid at 46 miles per gallon in the city and 39 on the highway, 42 combined. Figures that are going to put real breathing room between fill-ups. All-wheel drive is coming standard with no upgrade required and no trade-off made. The 0 to 60 time of 7.3 seconds sits nearly 2 full seconds ahead of the gas model. A powertrain this efficient only gets you so far though, and if the cabin surrounding you hasn't kept pace, the experience falls short in a different way entirely. Number 6. Well-designed cabin. The interior is getting a focused update, and the changes are landing in exactly the right places. A redesigned center console is improving storage, while the dashboard is now featuring a 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreen, up from the previous 8-inch unit, running Toyota's updated software with improved response times and cleaner navigation. Think about how often a cramped or sluggish screen turns a routine drive into something frustrating. Squinting at a small display, digging through menus at a stoplight, eyes off the road longer than they should be. The larger screen keeps information readable at a glance, a benefit that compounds across years of daily use. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is available on select trims, giving the dashboard a noticeably more contemporary feel. Upper trims are bringing faux leather upholstery, heated front seats, a sunroof, and ambient interior lighting, along with a fold-down rear armrest. The cabin is tidy, practical, and pleasant for daily use, and a cold weather package with a heated steering wheel and heated front seats is now standard on all-wheel drive variants. But if hybrid complexity isn't for you, what Toyota is putting under the gas version's hood might be exactly the simplicity you've been looking for. Number 5. Proven gas engine. Not every buyer wants hybrid ownership, and the Corolla Cross is fully prepared for that group. The gas version is carrying a 2.0-liter, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder rated at 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, paired with a CVT. 0 to 60 is landing around 9.2 seconds. Not quick, and there's no reason to pretend otherwise. But the case for it isn't about performance. It's about the absence of complexity. No turbos to age out, no high-pressure fuel pumps to monitor, no electrified components sitting outside the warranty window. Toyota has spent decades refining this type of engine for one reason: long-term dependability without drama. Fuel economy is landing at 30 to 32 miles per gallon combined, with front-wheel drive standard and all-wheel drive available. For buyers who prioritize a low-stress ownership experience above all else, the gas Corolla Cross is going to be one of the least complicated vehicles in this segment to own for the long haul. And it's arriving with the same safety suite as the hybrid, which is exactly what the next chapter is about. Number 4. Advanced safety systems. This is one of the Corolla Cross's strongest arguments, and it comes down to one clear fact. Every trim level is getting the full suite of active safety features as standard equipment. Automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with accident avoidance, adaptive cruise control, road sign assist, and automatic high beams are all included regardless of which version you choose. Most drivers never think about safety technology until the precise moment they need it. A vehicle cutting across unexpectedly, a pedestrian stepping off a curb, a car stopping suddenly 2 lengths ahead. That's exactly the gap the Corolla Cross is closing. The Honda HR-V keeps blind spot monitoring optional on lower trims. The Chevrolet Trax requires a package upgrade for adaptive cruise. With the Corolla Cross, none of that is sitting behind a paywall. The coverage is built in from day one. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are arriving standard on the SE trim, extending protection into the moments where most everyday incidents actually occur. Toyota is treating safety as a baseline, not a privilege. But if you think that's the most practical thing about about this crossover? Wait until you see what's happening behind the rear seats. Number 3. Cargo volume. Subcompact SUVs frequently disappoint in cargo practicality. The Corolla Cross is going to be a clear exception. The hybrid version is offering 22 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expanding to 44 cubic feet with the seats folded. The gas variant goes further, with up to 24 cubic feet behind the second row. A strong number for a vehicle this size. Anyone who's wrestled a folded stroller into a small crossover, or tried to fit luggage for 4 into something barely bigger than a sedan's trunk, knows how fast practicality falls apart in real life. A standard Corolla sedan offers just 13 cubic feet of trunk space. This crossover is nearly doubling that without asking the buyer to move into a larger vehicle class. The wide rear liftgate opening makes loading bulky items noticeably easier than the narrower designs found in competing models. The overall cargo utility is punching well above what this vehicle's footprint might suggest. Loading space is just one part of the ownership picture, though, and how the Corolla Cross actually feels to drive every single day is a conversation that might surprise you. Number 2. Comfortable and convenient. The Corolla Cross was built for daily life above everything else, and that priority shows up on every commute. The suspension is tuned to absorb imperfections quietly, delivering a settled, composed ride that puts passenger comfort ahead of any pretense of athleticism. It won't impress on a winding road, but it won't punish occupants on a rough highway stretch either. Most buyers in this segment aren't looking for a canyon carver. They want something that makes a 40-minute commute feel shorter, a vehicle that doesn't fight them through traffic or leave everyone worn out on arrival. The Corolla Cross is going to deliver that experience consistently. Standard rear air vents keep backseat passengers comfortable without an upgrade. Wireless charging and rear USB-C ports are now standard on LE and XLE trims, removing the cable clutter that makes so many interiors feel perpetually messy. The adaptive cruise control reduces fatigue meaningfully on longer highway trips. The vehicle is built around how people actually use a daily driver. But none of it holds together if the price doesn't make sense, and that's exactly where the Corolla Cross makes its strongest argument yet. Number 1. Attractive price. Everything covered in this video is going to be available starting at around $26,500 for the gas version. The hybrid with all-wheel drive, already included, opens at just under $31,000. For a vehicle arriving with standard adaptive cruise, automated emergency braking, and lane departure prevention across every trim, that pricing is difficult to argue against. The Honda HR-V starts at roughly $28,000 without matching the Corolla Cross's standard safety breadth. The Hyundai Kona asks buyers to climb a trim level before blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise become standard. The Corolla Cross includes both from the entry level. No required packages, no negotiation. Toyota is also throwing in 2 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance, reducing real first owner costs. Hybrid component coverage extends to 10 years or 150,000 miles, directly addressing one of the most common hesitations around hybrid ownership, while the powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles across both versions. For a subcompact SUV priced under $35,000 in any configuration, the value case the Corolla Cross is building is one of the hardest to walk away from in this segment. The 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross is going to be arriving as a crossover that covers nearly every base a practical buyer cares about. A hybrid powertrain delivering 42 miles per gallon combined with standard all-wheel drive, a freshened cabin with a larger touchscreen and updated tech, a proven gas engine for anyone who prefers simplicity, a full safety suite standard across every trim, cargo space that punches above this vehicle's size, a ride quality tuned for daily comfort, and a starting price that keeps the entire package within reach. In a segment where most competitors are asking you to spend more to get more, the Corolla Cross is going in the opposite direction, and that's exactly what makes it one of the most sensible decisions in the subcompact SUV class right now. Rivals, on the other hand, have their own trump cards, which are sometimes quite the opposite. The Mazda CX-30 you can check out in our next video, for example, relies on completely different strengths. It's stylish, it's elegant, and it drives better than anything in the class. All that is backed by a very capable optional Turbo 4 engine, which sets the CX-30 apart from pretty much anything in the segment.